QS stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Quantumscape stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1 minute video. Now, I'm the only person in this space that can actually tell that I've actually done 43,000 videos in 5 years into the game. Everything is documented on my YouTube channel. I've even shown you what's working for me and what's not. QS specifically, here it was like $6.28. I aimed for like $7.70, and not only did this freaking deliver, it was so actually decent. It was like great delivery, but it went from like 6 and now it's at like 14, so more than a double in like 2 week span period. And you can see like this was 2 weeks ago. It was 6.36, a beautiful delivery. Coming in forward, like, I mean, I know it's going to be like great start of the, I don't know, but from the start of this week, I generally am looking to just double down and buy more here with QS. Like, unless rules are met, there's just no way I'm going to start buying, you know what I mean? So I do have a lot of receipts here with like 6 results. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights absolutely free, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.